Hi everyone, this video I will show you how to use Linee Teeth Whitening Kit Duo Light at home. The box contains LED light, charger, comparison stripes, user manual in English and Thai, 3 teeth whitening pens that can be used 15 to 30 times. For whiten your teeth, we recommend to fully charge the LED light first. This process takes around 2 hours and you can be used it for 10 times. While charging the battery, you will having a light coming out flashing. The light will stay on when it's fully charged. And that's it, you are ready for the next steps. Next, brush your teeth or floss. Today we're using Linee Teeth Whitening toothpaste for the extra stain protection. We recommend not to use a toothpaste that contains fluoride. Next, take the gel pens, rotate in the end until the gel come out on the top and then start applying onto your teeth. You can apply upper and lower teeth at the same time, but avoid touching directly onto your gum. To turn on an LED light, hold 1 second at the sensor, then the blue light will be turned on. Insert the tray and sit comfortably for 16 minutes. The machine is set up to turn off automatically when it's completed. Once it's done, continue by tapping twice on the machine to give your gum a treatment with the red light therapy for 10 minutes. Rinse your mouth and wash the machine with the water and let it completely dry before put it back in the box. Don't forget to compare the result after using our teeth whitening kit. We recommend to wait 30 minutes before you start drinking and eating again. And that's it. We hope you enjoy your everyday smile with Linee.